Welcome. If you're looking to give your X, formerly known as Twitter, a fresh new look on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to change the background theme on X using the latest update. Whether you want a softer display for nighttime scrolling or just want to personalize your social media experience, this guide has you covered. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the X website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the customization features. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of your screen for the navigation panel. Find the option labeled More and give it a click. This will open up a menu with several settings and options. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to tailor your X experience. Next, click on Accessibility, Display, and Languages. This section is dedicated to making X more comfortable and visually appealing for every user. Now, choose Display. Here's where the fun begins. You'll see several options to adjust the look and feel of your timeline. Under the Background section, you'll find choices like Default, Dim, and Lights Out. The default option gives you the classic white background, perfect for bright environments. Dim offers a softer, bluish-black tone that's easier on the eyes, while Lights Out provides a true dark mode, ideal for late-night browsing or anyone who prefers a sleek, modern look. Simply click on the background theme you prefer, and you'll see your changes take effect instantly. Once you're happy with your selection, just close the settings window, and your new theme will be saved automatically. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've transformed the look of X on your PC. Enjoy your personalized theme and make your timeline truly yours. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might want to update their X experience too. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.